Hi, my name is Glenn and this is #DadsCare. I'd like to thank Dove Men Plus Care for allowing us to be a part of this video. And today I'm going to teach you how to make Mother's Day special during quarantine. I wanted to do something special for my wife, so we made a homemade spa. I didn't have any bubble baths, so I used the Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Scent Body and Face Wash to go ahead and whip up a little bit of suds for the bubble bath. All you need is a half a cup of body and face wash, a tablespoon of honey, and 1 egg white. Mix it all together, and there's your bubble bath. Then you want to just go around the house and grab all the plants. All the plants you can find, just go and put them in the bathroom. I wanted to do something nice, so I made a little bath table for my wife. Now, all that took was measuring the width of the bath, taking a scrap piece of wood, cutting and staining it. But we decided to add our little message in there as well. Now, if you don't have the materials for this table or access to some of the things I have, it's okay. It's more about creating a keepsake for Mom. Now, when you're ready, you want to make sure that this is a really calming experience, so I'd suggest you grab all the candles you have around the house. And then you grab some of her favorite snacks. My wife likes grapes, vegetables and hummus, apples, cookies, and she loves sushi. And it's also cool to pour her a glass of her favorite drink. Once that's done, go ahead and run your bath water and pour your bubble bath solution inside the warm water. Invite your sweetheart in and serve her her meal.
Oh shoot! Even a formal Happy Mother's Day. That was really sweet, babe.
Here's a pro tip. Don't be like me and forget to bring the cucumbers in late. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it for me. Okay, guys. I hope you guys learned something. See you guys next time.